All right, so we are now recording. We are now live. Let's go. What's in front of the mic? Oh, all right. There we go. All right. So today's training is about. Okay. So we're gonna talk today. We're gonna talk about how to make slideshows. But not you can use these slideshows like you see like the royalty slideshow, but you can also use this as like a presentation when you at like if you're doing a home meeting. So this is gonna resonate for people that want to do offline marketing. And you still like to be able to do a presentation in like a small hall or room that you might have rented out for the day or the company clubhouse, anything like that. And you want to do those professional webinars, those professional style webinars where you're actually talking and, then you keep pushing the PowerPoint and then it goes to the next screen. That's what we're going to go into today. Now, of course, you can use this offline and online. Okay. Now, if you have PowerPoint already, a lot of us already probably know how to use some of this stuff if we have PowerPoint, because PowerPoint, that's exactly what it's used for. Or if you have a Mac, then you have keynotes, what you see down here. Again, that's what that's used for. But if you don't have a Mac and you don't have, then it's going to cost you money, right? And I always like to bring you, ways to do things without having to spend your hard-earned money. And this is one of those ways, again. So let's dive right in. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna refresh this so you can get a good look. All right, so let's refresh it so we can take you through the presentation. So I'm gonna take you through the presentation. This is a short one I put together. Okay, and of course you can make them longer. I'm just gonna bring you through the process, like if I was at an event or something. Okay, and I was presenting this to somebody. Okay, so I was presenting this to a team. I'm at my event. My slides come up. I'm talking about royalty. So you kind of get a feel of where we're going with this. All right. So I'm gonna refresh the page so you get even how it comes in. So today we're going to talk about royalty marketing, the first all-in-one do-it-yourself marketing and advertising platform. So what's the number one problem that most people have with their business? Getting leads. Generating leads is the biggest challenge for small business owners. Okay, digital advertising is the number one way to generate leads. I mean, it's bigger than TV, but most business owners don't know how to get started marketing online. Well, Royaltie has the answer. Now you can advertise on a million different apps. And for as low as 57, 87, and 327, this is a steal. We have everything you need to build your business online. I mean, it's super easy to build pages. You're going to be able to add your logo and main image, add large image and custom content, add a contact form, interact with the map sections, add videos, detailed analytics. I mean, it's just priceless. So creating ads on the mobile is easy to do as well. I mean, it's just as simple as add your ad text, select your landing page, pick your ad location, select the image from the ad library, or add your own, and then submit your ad. It's really that simple. Creating ads on the desktop is easy too. I mean, all you're gonna do is add some text, select the image, select the landscape page, pick an ad location, target your audience, and then submit your ad. Just as fast as I said, it's just as fast as you can do it. And let's not forget about email marketing. See, you want to build your brand with email marketing because that's how you're going to be able to really maximize and be able to squeeze as much juice out of lemon, that you possibly can. So with this powerful and automated email campaigns, there is no better way to turn prospects into hot leads than with professional email marketing. Our email builder is simple and intuitive. In minutes, your beautiful feature-rich campaigns will be running on autopilot. See, so I can see that you see that everything you need to build your business online, Royaltie has in place. So, what are you waiting for? Join Royaltie. Let's get you started marketing your business and earning with our one-of-a-kind, all-in-one marketing platform. If y'all are ready to get started, ready to get going, then you can go to getmoneylikeaboss.com, and we'll be happy to get you going and get you started. Thank you. Have a blessed day. All right, so you see how that went? Like that would be like if you was doing like a home style meeting. Of course, this could have went many different ways. You could have put other pictures. You could have had other scripts. That's just what I just put together with slides. But you can see how it looks nice. It looks professional. It has nice color, bold colors. This doesn't look boring, black and white, where a person might just fall asleep on you, but it actually can keep them engaged with the color scheme. You see how it has effects. So things are coming in, they come in on the screen. They're not just going to the next page, but things are actually swiping in and out and boom, popping up like that. So all these different things is what moves a presentation along, and will make somebody watch versus not watch. It makes somebody actually be engaged versus falling asleep, And I'm going to show you how to do this right now. Very, very, very easy and for free. All right, so we're going to go back and revisit our trusty Canva. Okay, so yes, I taught you guys to use this before for, just everything up under the sun. And today is going to be no different. I don't know if you know, but you can actually use Canva to create live presentations. So when you log into your Canva, okay, you're going to go right here, create a design. Scroll down right here. You see where it says presentation with this little icon? Hit that. And now you're going to have a bunch of different type of presentations that you can use. See right here to the left? And you can pick what's going to resonate the most. So you can go to creative presentations, simple presentations, educational, business, marketing, pitch, some of these, and you can look. So let's say we want to go to creative presentations. We go to all, and we can see what type of presentations they got. Okay. Now you can check any of these out before you do it, and you can also see like maybe how many slides you want to go. See, so you can always add, but if you just use what they have, then you don't really have to worry about trying to recreate the wheel. And that's how I like to work. Smarter, not harder. So let's go to business. Let's go back. So we're gonna go to the business section. That way we'll have something that resonates with us. So we go to business presentations, maybe even marketing presentations might not be so bad either. So let's go to business. Okay, and let's just find something that's nice. And I like, something that's going to stick out. So again, for design purposes, I'm going to pick something that only has maybe 10 slides. A lot of these got 25 and more, which is good because that means it has enough to really get your message across. And of course, if you need to add some, you can. So it looks like most of these are 25. Let's see one, yeah. All right, this one's 10, so let's go with that one. All right, so you click that. And then after you do that, you come over, of course, page. Okay, add one, add a page, replace it with this one, add a page right here, top right corner. If you don't see what I'm doing, I'm hitting the copy page, going to the next, and then you just replace it by clicking over to the left and putting that down. And copy the next one, and just keep on until you got all of them in place. Okay. All right. So now that we got those in place, now we got them all. Now we can start editing them. I can also do a preview real fast just to make sure this is like what I actually want to go with. So I can hit presentation, and then I can do, let me see. Quick copy that. Let's change that. So it looks like these ones is going to be more visual based. So this one doesn't really have pictures on it, and then it just has the one picture right there that comes in. So I probably want to pick this one normally because this looks a little boring for my taste. But again, we're going for design purposes. We're just going to shoot it in. You can also see right here how it looks to the right, and then you can also, if you want to make those transitions, so at least Since we're dealing with a boring transition, I mean a boring template, let's at least get a nice effect. So this is the effect you see to the right where it's fading in and out. Or we can do tiles, okay? And they'll change like that. Circles, okay? So forth and so on. So I like the fade. It's clean. We'll go with that. All right. So now we just start designing, right? So we change that to royalty. All in one platform and advertising. Boom. All right, so there we go. All in one platform and advertising solution. That's the first one. And then right here, I could change that. Okay, so I got some pictures. So let's see if I just use somewhere I have. So boom. Then you just drag that over to where that picture is, and it'll take the place of that. Okay. So now we got that over there. We're good to go. Now, of course, if you don't like something, you can always change it. Like if you like this color, we can change that color, of course, to anything we want. Right now, we're there. We can change that to that color if we wanted to, or any color we wanted to. Okay, but we're just gonna keep the color scheme going, especially for time purposes. What colors do you think work best when advertising? The colors that pop. Anything that pop. That's why if you ever notice, people always use the bright colors like orange entices hunger and yellow. That's why all fast food, 90% of them use orange and yellow somewhere within their color scheme, whether it be Carl's Jr., whether it be McDonald's, whether it be Burger King, whether it be Fat Burger, all of them have the same color scheme. In and out, all of them have the same color scheme. That's because that entices hunger. Black, anger, red, stop. So you got to know these things like that. Like those are the things that triggers in someone's psyche when it comes to colors. So just keep that in mind when you're designing. But for the most part, anything that pops, you should go with bright colors versus like dull colors, because dull colors again, gray, the skin. I don't really want to, I want standoffish, evil, but all that, down, depressed. Those are all like dark colors. It's gonna give off that kind of feel, and sometimes even too much white. That's why I put you in a white room. When they feel like you're going crazy. So be mindful of that. But white space can also be your friend. White space is actually strategic when used right, because most people, it's hard to, it takes a certain skill set, because you got to try your best not to over design. And most of us will over design and put too much stuff in it. It's hard to deal with minimal white space, like how Apple does, where the whole page be white, just have one thing in there, but you get the message, just have an apple. You know what I mean? Like I never would have designed that. I would have like, oh no, this is not enough. People's not going to resonate with this. Got to put some other things in there, put some effects and make it glow, and got to put some shadow on it. Where they just put an apple in the middle on a clean white background. So it's an art to it. Hey, Kawan, just got in front of the dentist. Glad to be on the Webby. Hey, Tony. All right, so let's go right here. All right, so your fonts. Oh yeah, so now we're gonna go with. Oh, and then what you can do is, let's say you didn't know what to put right here. You can take stuff that you see like on the Royaltie website, like we can go to Royaltie, okay, and then see what they have already written out. We ain't gotta reinvent the wheel. See what they say, and then you can put that in there too. So it says build your website. Our website is the simplest one ever. No technical knowledge required. In minutes, your website or landing page will be live, turning visitors into prospects. Perfect, right? So we can take that, go back. Let's see where go back. Okay. So I might have to take some off, but we might not. Let's see. Okay. There you go. Put this up. Okay. Let's see. Build a website, right? We can even go a little bit bigger, maybe. Okay. Yes, and then we can put this over here, something like this, and then I didn't mean to do that. So let's take that off. So we got build a website, and then put that over there. Resize it. We can have this like this. Build a website. I'm gonna make that a little smaller because I want to build a website. All right, build a website or landing page. I like the way it looks. And then I'm gonna move this up a little bit. Okay, move this. So then, yep, that looks a little cleaner. I might even put that there. You know the design in me. There you go. Move this a little bit. Move that. All right, I'm cool with that. All right, so they say our website builder is the simplest one ever. No technical knowledge required. The minute your website or landing page will be live, turning visitors into new prospects. Cool. Okay. And then right here, we're gonna put, delete that. So I start getting confused. Delete that. All right, back to royalty. Advertise online. So yep, I like that. So I'm gonna take that phrase and take this script. Okay, that's a good key point, right? So advertise online. Advertise online. There it is. And delete that. Bring this down. And we're good to go. And what works best? Focus on your customers. Build your marketing strategy around your customers. 2, build your brand story. Storytelling is one of the most powerful marketing tools. So I like that. I like 1. So build your brand story. I'm going to change this text to use social marketing. Use our social marketing. Use our social marketing. Clickable posts. Use our social marketing clickable posts to brand your story and get leads. Boom. Focus on your customers. Build your marketing strategy around your customers. To our customers using our all in one marketing platform. Okay. Utilize content marketing through creative quality content. You build customer trust. That's cool. Clear that. Get your business found using SEO. Search engines can connect you to new and relevant audiences. All right, so royalty. So we're gonna put royalty can connect you. So royalty can connect you to new and relevant audiences. Okay, so that was good. So marketing content. So marketing content and strategy. So let's change that. Let's see what royalty got over there for us to pull. Follow up with email and campaigns. Okay, no problem. So we're gonna put email marketing. Snatch that up. Come back over here. That. 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 Okay, that looks good. And then change this. 80. Okay. We can go a little bigger. Okay. And then come over here. Let's go put something in that relates. Let's see. Email marketing. Let's see. I don't have anything for email marketing right now. So, I can do this. We'll put him in there. Put that guy up in there. Okay. See how it's already coming together? Let's make it how the other one was. A little offset. Offset that a little bit. All right, we good. Move to the next. Brand identity. We ain't worried about that. Let's go change that up to something else. Your ad online in minutes. Okay, so let's see. How was that formatted? Brand identity. Your brand identity is the face of. All right, we can use that. Brand identity. A brand identity is the face of. All right, so brand identity. Get seen. Get seen on a million app network. Get seen on a million app networks. Get seen on a million app networks. Your brand your brand seen your brand seen thousands. Your brand seen by thousands. Your brand identity should help fulfill them. Get 5,000 Get 5,000 minimum. Get 5,000 minimum eyeballs in your business. All right. So then we got that, and then let's see what we got here. Yes. Let's use that one. Okay. How the model translates. Social media marketing, online, traditional marketing. Online marketing is online marketing, social media marketing, traditional marketing, online. Social media, traditional. Okay, got it. Royalty, six. All right. So you got that. How our numbers are looking January, July. We can change all that, of course. Let me see. All right, cool. We're almost done. All right. So we got that. Let's change this. So I'll change. No, we don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Let's say we don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. But what I will put there is that. I same one, huh? Same picture. Not that one. Let's go with this one. Okay, so we got January, and then I gotta put one more. Let's go with that one. All right, so it says so. Place and add pin. Place and add pin. Anywhere. Place a tab anywhere in the world. Place an add pin anywhere in the world. Take advantage of take advantage of Take advantage of now. Hold on. Advertise on social media, place an app anywhere in the world, and then let's do it. Say a different one with that. Anywhere in the world.
How about get seen on multiple devices?
There you go. Get seen on multiple devices. All right. All right. Now we're gonna put over there. I'm gonna put in. So put the price tag over there. So we need prices now. Let's so royalty is extremely affordable. Move this over. All right, there. Royalty is extremely affordable and made so that everyone can take advantage. Royalty is extremely affordable and made so that everyone can take advantage of marketing their business, and made so that everyone can take advantage of marketing their business, and marketing their business. Like the big corporations, minus the big cost it normally takes to do so. Royalty is extremely affordable and made so that everyone can take advantage of marketing their business like the big corporations minus the big cost it normally takes to do so. Here's a breakdown. Here's a breakdown of the prices. All right, so we got that done. Thank you. We look forward to working with you. All right, let's put a nice little picture, royalty picture right there. We can even put a logo. We're gonna put a royalties logo. I know I got it somewhere else. That ain't been this long since I used the royalty logo on Canva. I need to update, put a new one up higher. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Oh, well, let's put this. Nice, everybody. Little corporate picture. Okay. And you know I can't go without branding myself, right? I just can't help myself. So where my crown at? Where my crown at? Yeah. You know, way at the bottom. All right, so now we got our slideshow finished. everything's done. Now we can go ahead and check it out. All right. So now you can go check it out. I'm trying to be a perfectionist and look for my crown so I can put it over there in that right corner. It'll fit. I can see it. It'll fit so perfect. I think I gotta go back way, way back in the days, like when we had beacons, just to get the crown. All right, there we go. So we is done. We is done. So now,
Does Canva have anything where you can make transparent pictures like that, what you just did with the crown, where you don't get that white or the black background?
you can, but you gotta pay for the upgrade.
Oh,
Yeah, they want you to do the pro version. The pro version, you can take out the background, but we already showed you. I showed you so many free ways to do it already. I wouldn't pay for that. Remember, I told you, Pixio, if you want to really, really get the most bang for your buck and don't have to keep on worrying about it, just pay for it one time and you'll be good to go. All right, so let's go. Let's go. Oh, we need the crown here too, right? We need that crown here. Where's my crown at? Boom. We're going to make this look nice. Make the crown right there too. All right, so there we go. All right, so let's go through it now. So now we done, right? So you come up here, hit presentation. You hit copy link. You can send people this link right here, or you can present it straight from right here, like this. Okay, so let's go through it. So now I was talking to somebody through this whole situation. I'd be like, welcome to our royalty marketing all-in-one platform and advertising solution. Let's get started. Okay, hold up. Where am I at? All right, so let's get started. Our website build is the simplest one ever. No technical knowledge required. In minutes, your website or landing page will be live, turning visitors into new prospects. This is just one of the features that you can do and use when you got the Royaltie platform. You'll also be able to advertise online to over 1 million different app networks like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Forbes.com, CNN, just to name a few. Build your online ad effortlessly. Run it anywhere in the world and drive your target audience to your website. So you want to know what works best? Focusing on your customers. That's first and foremost. You need to build your marketing strategy around your customers using our all-in-one marketing platform. 2, you want to build your brand story. And you can do that by using our social marketing clickable posts to brand your story and get leads. 3, you want to utilize content marketing. Through creating quality content, you build customer trust. And 4, get your business found using SEO. Royaltie can connect you to new and relevant audiences. Don't forget about email marketing. Build your brand and get your leads ready to buy with our incredibly intuitive, surprisingly simple automated email marketing system. You can use our system to send out an email campaign up to 90 days. Let's not forget about brand identity. With brand identity, you're going to be able to actually drop a pin anywhere on the map, anywhere around the world, and by doing so, you're going to be advertising your brand to the masses. Get seen on 1 million app networks. Your brand seen by thousands in different locations. Get 5,000 minimum eyeballs in your business. Advertise anywhere around the world. See, with Royaltie, we take advantage of all 3 components from social media marketing, online marketing, and traditional marketing, and that's what sets us apart from the rest. Oh, I forgot to change the top part. Anyways, here's a brief overlook. Here's a brief overview of what you can expect. Advertise on social media, place an ad pin anywhere around the world, get seen on multiple devices, just like you see here. So at this point, I bet you're wondering how much, right? Well, I tell you, Royaltie is extremely affordable and made so that everyone can take advantage of marketing their business like the big corporations, minus the big costs it normally takes to do so. Here's a breakdown of the prices. $57 a month. That's just to get you started. But I recommend coming in at the entrepreneur price of $87 a month because you're going to get a lot more bang for your buck. We'll get through that in a minute. Small business, $327 a month. And that's for people, big business that really want to go big. With that package, you get, a minimum of 50,000 online ad impressions with me. Basically, 50,000 people are going to see your ad, your business next month. And with the entrepreneur package, where I recommend you come in at, you get unlimited websites, 10,000 online ads, 10,000 marketing emails, priority support, that file sharing analytics. Basically, you get access to the whole system, and unlimited landing page, which is very, very important. Where as far as the starter package, you would only get 3 websites. Well, that's our presentation. Thank you. I forgot to change that image over there to the right too. But thank you. I look forward to doing business with you. Have a blessed day. Okay, so that's how you would do that. You would, and that would be like a presentation you would do from home, quick, straight to the point. You can also do that during a live, like a Facebook Live, or like a webinar. If you're doing a webinar, that's what you could be doing during your webinar. As soon as the webinar starts, you share your screen, boom, right from Canva. You can go right here, and if you don't want to show them that you're using Canva, then you come right here where it says present, and then you see right here, way at the bottom where it says share link to view, copy link. Just copy that link. And now in a different browser, watch how it look. So if I come over here, I paste it, and this is what we're going to see. So now when I'm about to start my presentation, you can just share your screen, and you can use this with OBS definitely. And then right when I'm about to share my screen, boom, look, see, I'm just going now. Hey guys, welcome to my presentation. Blah 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 blah. Okay.
So you can't just download it to your computer and then look at it that way?
You can, but if you do that, you're going to be downloading it, and now it's going to turn to like a PDF. So yeah, and and the only thing, it's nothing wrong with that, but the only thing is you won't get the animation effect. See how that's popping in like that?
Yeah.
The animation, it won't be that. It would just be a still image, and then it'll go to the next,
Yeah.
go to the next. But that would be good if you wanted to download it and then give it to your team, or you want to do like maybe like a presentation. You don't really care about all that. You just need to get this done online or a YouTube video. So it's still a place for it, and you can definitely download it. But if you were doing like an online presentation, I would just copy a link and then do it like this. That way, it's still giving you that same effect, and it's still automated. And when you're sharing your screen, all they're gonna see is the screen. They won't see anything else. So it'll still be real professional.
I have a question for
Uh
huh. I am trying to get this this on looking at. How do I do that?
Say that one more time.
He said he wants a replica of this so he can get an idea to learn how to do it. Where is it? Are you gonna have it like a duplicate where everybody can get a copy, or what?
I think I can do that right now. So hold on. Download, present. No, that's not what I want to do. Get that in. Oh, right here.
Today,
Hopefully this file won't be too big. If it's too big, then I'll upload it to Elite University. So let's see if I can share it. All right, let's see if they let me. I don't think so. Did that work? I don't think so. All right, is there a way to send an attachment? Let me see. Yeah, I don't think I can send it right now, but what I can do is, oh, you know what I can do? I'll say what I can do. Okay, I know what I can do. I got you. Yep, I know how to do it. We can do it like this. Put that to the bottom, and let's go back to the group. All right. So that's not too big. It'll get uploaded. All right, there we go. Let's see. Perfect. All right, so there you guys go. You can download it out the group. Oh, look at Joe said it at the same. I didn't even see that, Joe, when you said that. He said key upload to the group. Great minds think alike. Great minds think alike. All right, so it's in the group now, guys. So you have access to that. All right, so any training on, any questions on what you just saw? How to do what we did? Yes, no, maybe show. Good job, nice and clean. All right, great, great, great.
Hey, Sam.
Hey, Jay.
Hey, thanks, man. I love everything that you're showing me, man. It's like you said, that it's like going back to university, man. You can't pay for this, bro. I mean, I couldn't pay for this, but I couldn't afford you. I just appreciate you just, you know what I'm saying, just being educated and experienced and loving on us, man. I just appreciate you on that, man.
Man,
Um,
you as well.
I just want to know, all right, to do all this, we have to have a Canva account.
Yep, it's free. Just go to canva.com and then just sign up.
Okay.
Or you can even log in with your Facebook, and that's it. Have at it.
Sweet. Okay, thanks. Hey, one more thing while I got you. How do you what was we did a training about a week ago, and I asked how do you did the marquee video? You know, you have the information while you're doing your videos, you had the information on the top of them. Yeah. And you told me the name, but I didn't go back to the training to see what it was. Because that you talk so fast, but you be going.
OBS. OBS.
O D like O D as in dog S
O
O B.
B as in boy. S.
Okay. Okay.
And if you
Thank
want,
you.
yep. And if you want to know how I make the nice banner that you see, I created it again right
Yeah.
here in Canva.
Okay. I'm
So,
watching.
so right there, this where my video would be at right here. And then I just change it up if I want other things like that. Happy New Year, boom. And then this is where you're gonna see the scrolling text. See at the bottom of this? That's where you see the scrolling text. Right at the bottom where it says under the Happy New Year. This was last year I did.
Oh wow.
So you can use
And when you put the video, go ahead.
I said when you can use Canva for a lot. Go ahead. What you about to say?
Like I see the square. So how do you program the video to be in that little box?
Because I already I already damn, I can't think right now.
Take your
Oh
time.
no, I already sized it. So for the most part, this is where I want it. And then when you go into OBS, you can size your video any size you want. So all I'm gonna do is place my video on top of that white spot now, and my video will play.
Oh, okay. And let me ask you, your crown logo, you had that created or you just found it?
The Red Crown to the right.
Yep.
Nope, I found it way back in the days, and I was like, this right here resonates with me. It was a stock image.
All right.
Yep.
All right. Yeah, it's everywhere.
Yeah.
It's everywhere. All right, my brother. Thank you again, man. I really appreciate it.
All right, any more questions before we get to the next part, which is our giveaway, our new giveaway, software giveaway?
I have to be pertaining to tonight's lesson. I do have a question.
Go ahead.
Okay, in the university, since we talked earlier today, I've been trying my best to do the script, invite a friend, Facebook. I can't get it to work. Is that the link in the university, the free link, or do you have to buy the $25 script for it to work?
All right.
That script no longer works.
Oh,
Oh,
anymore?
no.
Now that hasn't worked in months.
All right.
Oh, wow.
All right. So what about the I'm gonna check out the Facebook toolkit one. Still works. Facebook toolkit is a nice one because you don't have to do the script. You can automatically just do it from the back office, and it automatically has the unfriend because you're gonna friend a bunch of people, but then when people don't respond, you want to unfriend them.
The Facebook toolkit, I don't think is available no more.
That's the only thing about Facebook, man. I'm telling you, Facebook is on top of their game, and they always shut. That's why Instapop is having problems. Facebook do so many updates, and they just, dang. Well, I'll try and find another one for you guys. See, this is another thing. This is why you do not lag. Okay, people in royalty right now ain't where they want to be. You know why? Because they lag, and then they let people like me take off, and then later they want to try and catch up. But if you would have took off with me, we'd be running side by side. Don't lag. Think about how many people that tool was up and running for at least a good year. You had a year to build your squad, your downline, targeted, fit 5,000. But everybody did the same thing. I won't say everybody, but most people did the same thing. They
B.
stop. Yep, they used it and then they stopped. They used it, they stopped. They used it, they stopped. And then look, now it's the result. Now it don't even work no more. So that's unfortunate. I'll try and find a new one, see to replace it. But you guys gotta jump on this stuff when you have the opportunity, just for reasons just like that. There, things can change at a moment's notice. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into to what I have for you guys today. Okay. So remember, we tying in all the softwares I gave you. So it's always going. I tell you, I was going to drip feed you. Drip feed you. But at the end of the day, you're going to tie it all in. Okay. So with that being said, we're done with this. So let's go ahead and close that out. And we're going to go, which I already know everybody's going to go run to. All right. So this software is going to allow you to be able to do text. Now, we don't have a ton of templates to work with. So I'm gonna show you the reason why I gave you this one and what I want you to do with this. This is something where I feel use your creativity to mix and match, piece them together. But there's one that really, really stands out that I want you to use that I think that you can get real creative with. And that was the main reason behind this one right here, this software. They do have a nice little teaser one right here. This would be kind of cool for a lot of different projects to use. That's a very, very clean intro and explainer right there. There's a lot you can do with that. That's like a teaser. That's a coming soon, royalty coming soon. There's a lot you can do with that. So I like that. this is creative. Also, you can download this and then strip the music. Remember I taught you? Think outside the box. Because it's hard to find music like this that go with these type of things. It's hard to find. You'll be going through so much, and especially royalty free, very hard. Very hard. But this is the one that sticks out the most that I really want you to really look. I think this right here, you can do some real creative stuff with this one right here. That right there, you can get creative and do some real cool stuff right there. Like imagine explaining what royalty announced today in that manner. You would keep someone's attention because it's just so dynamic and fast and moving. You would keep my attention with that, and it's long enough for you to really add a lot to it, so you can really get your message across. That's a whole minute right there. So that was 60 seconds. So you got a whole minute to get your message across. So that was the one of the main ones I really liked, and that was the main reason why I gave you this tool. So it's not a whole bunch of them for you to use, but like I said, once you mixing this along with everything else I've given you, it's just you can do some wonderful things. You know, mix this with that, that with this. Use this for the opener, use the other intro. You know, and then before you know it, you're killing it. You know, we got tons of stuff. Plus, this is stuff that you get to offset and give to your students, give to your downline, give to the people that's on your team. Okay. Remember, it's all about value. The more value that you give, the more you're going to receive. The more people are going to want to do business with you. The more they're going to want to be on your team. The more they're going to want to be on your downline. But if you have nothing to offer nobody, you know, then it almost gets to a point like, why should I join you? You know? All right. Any questions? Oh, I know the question. EliteTextMaker.com is where you get it. You already know this, the usual. The username is royalty elite80 at gmail.com, and the password is elite123. Have fun. Now, any questions?
I got a question.
Hey, Kwan,
Hold
back
on.
to that toolkit. I think I have an alternative one.
Okay.
If I can drop it in the group if you don't mind.
Absolutely.
Okay, can I ask you now?
Shoot.
All right. See, is there any way to change like the words on the videos on there, or you use them as is?
Nah. Okay, I guess I messed up. I was supposed to go do demo one. I usually always demo one, and then that way you can get the feel of it. But yeah, no, all that's meant to be changed. This is just what it looked like. I was giving you a demo of what you can see. Now you go in there and make those words. So instead of saying that, be like, welcome. You want to learn about royalty, the new compensation plan, taking, you know what I mean? Like that's what you would be.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I went in there and looked at that, and I was like, okay, what the hell I do?
Hey, I'll do it right now. I'll go do it right now. So let me put this in the group,
All right.
and then I'll make one demo one. So
All right, bet.
lead text maker user is going to be royalty.
Hey, Kwan.
Yeah.
Kwan. Yeah, I got a question. When you're making your presentation on at the end when it has your brand, can you make your logo bigger?
Oh yeah. Where at? Which one on this or on the Canva?
What's it on the now at the end?
Hold on, I'm gonna mute. Now come back. So I think it was just too much going on right there. So come back in there. Unmute yourself.
Okay, yeah, I'll just ask you how do you make your local big or something?
In Canva, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You're out fast. Got a lot of background noise. All right, so look, say this was my logo. Well, actually, I can go to my logo, right? No. Okay, hold on. Canva. So click on your image and then use the corners. Just drag it how big you want it. All right, so right here, real fast. This one's a minute long, but I think this one's gonna be like the coolest. But I don't want to try and come up with so much stuff. So I'm just gonna put it on this one. So hit create video. Royalty. Get money like a boss. Okay, hold on.
Hey, Kwan, can you do me a favor? This is Drew. Can you give me that username again and password?
I just put it in the group.
Oh, I got you.
Can you send us all that?
Oh, what? All this stuff on my computer?
Yes.
Man, I need to clean this stuff. Man, that's what happens. You be working and everything stays. I need to clean that stuff, to be honest with you. All right, so we put our picture up in there, and then we put something in there like groundbreaking. Groundbreaking. Okay, next. Get seen. I mean, get. Dang, too long. All right, so I say revolutionary. I actually like the legendary. Legendary technology. Not a member yet, but I will join you this weekend. This week, definitely. Hey, Samuel. I'm surprised your pick not running slow due to all the programs you have on there. I know. I know. That's that fast Wi-Fi, but it still get crazy sometimes, even with it being fast. Let's see. I need to go get some more pictures. Oh, I think I just screenshot some. These will be long. Dang, this one got a lot of scenes. I didn't realize that this many. This thing got 20 different scenes. I'm just gonna start just putting one word words in there now for time save purposes. Dang. Awesome comp plan. I like that one. Target everyone. Target everyone. Okay, cool. I was like, man, all right. Where's my crown at? All right. So like always, now for those that that's new, then see the other software I gave you. You can do you can do the music. So this is the music we have. I'm gonna leave that because it goes perfect. But let's say I wanted something else, I could use some of these. Okay, and then I just hit the plus sign over here, and then it'll be up there. You can also upload your own music right there. So if you got music of your own, come over here. You see, I got music, and I can upload my own music if I wanted to. And now you just start rendering. Now the render time is going to take some time, so it could take a couple minutes. It just depends on how long. So that'll take some time. But other than that, you go do something else, come back, and you're good to go. Can you use this tool to market local businesses like chiropractic practice? Absolutely. Use it for anything you want. Yep, absolutely. I'm sorry. What is the purpose of the simple social tool here? To be able to add 5,000 friends. So I'm about to see. Did you add it already? I think somebody said they couldn't get in too. And we're just gonna wait for this to render. You guys see any questions while that's rendering? Neither of those sites are coming up. VIPEliteTraining.com. What? VIPEliteTraining.com. No. Any questions, guys? Now's your chance.
I think I've seen enough of it for what you got going on, so I can once I get my laptop up and running, I can go in and play around with it a lot more. I know I'm doing enough to make it move now. So I appreciate it. Man. Thank you.
Very, very welcome. Yep, you can. Yeah, Tony, you can use this as a Facebook cover, and I don't know if you know, but I gave away a software already to actually do Facebook covers, and you can mix and match. That's why I was telling you guys, you can mix and match. There's no wrong way to do this. Any more questions?
Hey, about the social tool, I dropped that in the chat. If you can check it out if you want to live here and show everybody.
All right, I'm looking for it. I didn't see it. Oh, okay, I see it. Hold up. Oh, they came up with a new version. I thought y'all said it didn't work. That's what I was talking about.
Oh, it's the same one? Yeah, because there's another one that was a Facebook toolkit, not the social.
No, I think I was talking about this one. Is this one still working?
Yes, sir.
That's a Chrome plugin, right? I have that.
Does it allow you to be able to still add targeted friends?
Yep.
This one
Sure does. It's like a gem.
The only problem with this one is people's not going to do what they're supposed to do because of the price. I can already tell. No, people are. What I recommend is paying $37 and going ham with it for the month, and that's more than enough time to be able to generate them 5,000. And most, at best, maybe 2 months, and then you should be good to go. You know, if you don't want to pay that $197, or just pay that $197, you go for the rest of the year. But
That's exactly what I did. I used it for about 3 months and got 4,000, close to 5,000. Then I let it go.
You know what I'm saying? So that's what you guys can do if you want to save, because everything else you don't really need. You don't need to be auto posting in groups and all that. You know, it's not really necessary.
Is there a tutorial on this one?
I believe so. Do they got an affiliate program with this as well? They do, huh?
They actually do, yeah. So
Yeah.
now I'm mad that I let it go since so many people are interested in it.
Yeah, that's mine, by the way.
No, I meant, do they have training videos to show you how to set it up, how to use it?
Yeah. Look at old Timothy Williams.
Yeah.
We got our elite right here, Timothy Williams, on the front page. Yeah, I definitely seen this. He actually shared this with me. I did see this before. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, and this is easy to use. They got tutorials and stuff and show you how to go through it. It's real simple. This is actually a easy way of doing it. It'll probably make more people do it quicker. So if you guys gonna redo it, plus one thing I do like about paying, you put value on it. If you pay, you actually use it. You don't pay, then you just say I'll get to it. So yeah, go ahead. And I don't even mind you guys go to his link. I'm not tripping. Go ahead and give him some love. So if anybody want to get the software, go and click on his link, and you can thank me later. But you definitely should be targeting and getting the 5,000 friends. Matter of fact, I do have to get this thing because I'm gonna be doing this at the elite. Dang, hold up. Dang, this is one of the things I'm teaching at the retreat. Damn.
What happened?
This is one of the things I was teaching at the retreat, but the difference is we had the script, we have to pay for it. In order for me to be teaching this now, people would have to pay for it.
Can you download Roblox to your phone?
Because once upon a time, it was just a one-time fee. They changed the price on
Can you
it.
download Roblox on your phone?
It's still a one time, but it's a year, but no one's gonna need it after a year. Like you don't even need it 3 months. Like 3 months, you'll have 5,000 friends.
Row and blocks.
Interesting. All right, I guess I'll sign up for it. I guess I got no choice because I'm actually gonna do this at the elite. This was the thing I was gonna teach, so I have no choice. I gotta get this now. So
They must have had a one time at one point because I don't pay for it anymore. The plugin still works.
Is that right? But there's no way
Yep.
you can share the plugin with others, though, right?
And blocks.
Say that again?
There's no way you can
Roblox.
share it with others, though, right? Without them actually paying for it.
Yeah, I was trying to search because some other cats wanted it too, but when I got it, it was just a one-time fee and that was it.
I'll see what I can
do.
Try searching the extension store. You probably need a key though.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my due diligence. And I'm gonna see if I can find a free version of this or a free way of doing this. Because a lot of times when this happens, a copycat will come out and make a similar software. You know, trying to compete. And all we need is the add the friend part. I don't care about the rest of the stuff. So if I can find a way to save you guys money, I'll do that. If not, then we'll just come back here and get this. So there we go. Ryan DePaul said he got one. Okay, there he goes. So DePaul said he has one. Can you share it?
I was gonna say, check that resource that he shared last week.
Oh yeah, exactly. Yep. The alternative. Yep. I'll do
Yep.
that when I get off. Definitely.
What's the one he shared last week, guys?
That alternative software where you can type in hold on, let me see something real fast.
It was called alternative2.net.
Yep. We can see right now.
All right.
Here it is in the chat.
Yep. Appreciate you. Simple. All right, so I don't hold up the training tonight. I'll look through this and I'll do my own due diligence. I'm real good at finding stuff and finding software and stuff like that. It's like one of my specialties. So that's why I always give you guys all this cool stuff. So I'll go check it out and we'll see. Let me go. Let's go see. The other one should be finished now. So let's go check out that, and then we can close it out. Any questions before we do?
Hey, come on.
Yeah.
So when you find what you put it in there,
Okay, hold on.
in place of,
All right, now one person come in.
when you find it, you put it in the university in place of the other one.
Oh yeah, definitely. I probably won't even upload the other one until I find oh, you're talking about the other one? Yeah, that training. Yeah, otherwise I gotta take that training down. So yeah. As soon as I find it, I'll replace that with the new one. And then DePaul said he
When I get ready to use it.
huh?
I said it figures when I get ready to use it.
Yeah. See? That's what I said. Dang, this one taking a long time to render. So that's the only thing, like me dealing with software and me dealing with videos, all the cool stuff takes a long time. You see how long this is taking to render? Can you imagine how long it would take for like a movie? That's why, man, this is no joke. That's why you see minimal effects and stuff because it takes a long time to render that stuff. All right, any more questions?
How can you make stuff like this clickable? The text maker and all the other elite tools. How can you make them clickable?
Clickable how? Like in your post?
Yeah, like we have the clickable images, but they're not animated. We can only use static right now.
Right. People keep asking that, but look, that don't make any sense. If you click on a video, what's going to happen to the video?
But not a video. No, just the animated picture.
But still,
like suppose you had a picture of a bouncing ball and you say catch the ball and you click on the ball, it takes you to whatever website.
Oh, you mean a GIF?
Not
a GIF. A GIF image.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it'll need to be. You can't do clickable GIF images because the reason why Royaltie's images are clickable is because it's not the actual image. You posting a link. You didn't post an image. You posted a link, and the link pulled back metadata from that link, and that link metadata was that image. So whatever image is in that metadata, I know I'm speaking like nerd techie stuff right now, but the metadata is like the stuff that's on the site. Like right now, if I was to push this link to this website, it'll probably pull up the Elite Text Maker, it'll pull up our logo, it'll pull up whatever is in the background, and that's the metadata. So, and sometimes you see stuff pull up ugly, that's because their metadata isn't configured. They didn't do nothing to the metadata, so now it's pulling up ugly data. So, or it pulls up nothing and you see a white page. So that's because there's no picture in their metadata. So that's all Royaltie is doing when they do a clickable image. They're pulling out metadata. When you put out a video, you're not uploading a link. You're actually uploading a video, and that's the reason why you can't make that clickable or even a GIF. You're actually uploading the actual image. You're not taking the link. If you take the link and that GIF moves still, then yes, it'll work.
Because I've seen that on other sites. It's very engaging. Like, you try to catch something or, aim for the bird or something like that that's flying if you can catch it, but you're actually clicking on a link.
Right. Shoot, the way you can do that. Let me see. Like I say, remember, there's always a way to do things. Think outside the box. So the way you can click a GIF image like that will go somewhere. First things first, Google it. Clickable GIF images. That's always going to be your first go-to. So clickable GIF image. How do I make a clickable GIF in Photoshop? How do I make clickable GIFs and make it link to somewhere? There you go, right there. Somebody else want to know the same thing? So I have an ambitious idea on something, blah, blah, blah. I doubt my code will help, blah, blah, blah. I don't know what that's all about. All you need to do to make an image clickable is to wrap the image in a hyperlink. Okay. You can't control animate GIFs without JavaScript. So you gotta do, it's gonna have to be some kind of code. And that's if Facebook lets you put that in there. If Facebook don't let you put HTML code, then they're gonna work. Which they probably don't.
Yeah.
What's the name link for transparent pics? InPixio. InPixio.
And you said InPixio is a one-time fee?
Yep. InPixio free photo editor. InPixio Clip Photo Maximum. Let me see what products they got. Because they got a few. New Photo Clip 9. Look like they got a new version now. Let's see. So I think this might even be a new upgrade for mine. Nice. Let's see. All right, so 49 and 59. And let me see what the difference is. New InPixio, one-click image correction, amazing pictures in just one click. Complete editing features allows you to edit, enhance, and touch up photos. 100 plus filters and effects, themes like vintage, black and white, old film, cinematic, and more. Don't really care about that. 100 plus frames, choosing like classic design, color font, 50 textures. Okay, so let me see. Interactive tutorials makes it getting easy. Who cares about that? Creative, amazing photo montages. Crop and cut out photos with picture perfect precision. That's really all you want to do. So you'll be fine with the 59, 49, or the 59. It's up to you. Both of them, job done. And it's a lifesaver. Like I said, you'll love it. Sociallift.com is free. Let's go see what that is. Compliment to Jerry. Increase your social selling conversions with Social Lift. Send ads with links, branded short links, sales automation, customizing. I'm confused. What is this? Let prospects book at their convenience, create opt-ins, target your contact with multiple emails. I don't really see what we're using this for, Jerry.
I thought that was for replacement for what was lost. I don't know if that, I was just fishing around.
Oh, nah, this is something different.
Okay, sorry about that.
Nah, that's all good. Never. Appreciate you sharing. Might be something cool for still to use for something else. That was what we looking for, something that allow us to be able to add 5,000 targeted friends with ease without being put in Facebook jail.
What was the freeway that you said that we have the going back to the crown or getting rid of that making a picture transparent? What was the freeway?
Using like a Photoshop. I think DePaul had some other ones too, or using Photoshop, or using Get. I always forget the free one we use, but you know the free thing that's just like Photoshop, and you don't have to do it yourself.
Oh, I see. Michael put one here. Remove.
Lunapic. There you go. Lunapic is free, and that's one of the ones you would use is like Photoshop.
Okay.
You know, and then edit a photo. See, upload the photo. Oh no, this is different. Oh no, this ain't like Photoshop. Is it? Let's see. Oh yeah. So it's like Photoshop. So you would come and you would have to erase this background with these tools over here. You can do it with the eraser tool, or you can do it with the magic wand usually, if they have one. Let me see. Sometimes you can do it with, let's see. This is hard for me to be using because I'm used to using, oh, wait, let me see, preview background. Yeah, it's hard for me to use this, a little bit slow. But this is one of the ones.
What about the one Michael got there? It says remove.bg, the one Michael has there.
I ain't see it. Let me see. Where's it at?
Right above the Lunapic.
Oh, wow. It didn't show up for me. It just says social lift for me. You got something that says remove.gp?
Yeah.
I sent it to you private, Orlando.
Oh.
It either.
You can hold on me. Now, I just put it in the group. Everybody, wait a minute, I just said it again. I got to do it for everyone. Hold on.
Where's the love, man?
Yeah,
Hold on.
No love for the leak.
There you go.
All right. He said, he said, this is a golden nugget. I got to keep this to myself. Can't just give up everything. Well, look like this one got a price too, though.
Nah, that's free.
One free credit, 50 free previews.
I don't know. I did a couple.
Did you?
Free account.
Recommend for personal use and evaluation. Let me see. One free credit, 50 free previews. It's ain't only one free. Unlimited free previews, but that's a free.
I did 3 with it. Maybe I got the wrong one here.
One image equals one credit. Preview images are free on removing.bg and 1/4 credit via API and apps. Let's see. Let's see how. If this ends up costing you, I just recommend getting Pixio for sure. Cannot identify foreground. Yeah, it's too much. Like I said, I don't know. You probably gotta go through it, but I showed y'all how quick the Pixio is. You know what I mean? You ain't gonna be going through all that. Like for instance, I'll just go through it real fast, shut it down. So photo, open. I use my bird as an example. Make this brush size big. I like the quality to be better. And then watch how quick I take out the background. Boop, 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 boop.
I just did one. It said select the image. You select the image, and it already does it for you. Then you just download the image.
Well, hey, if it works out and it was quick and you ain't got to do it more than once, then go ahead, go for it. That's good.
What's this one called right here, guys? What's this app called?
This is in Pixio. And the nice thing about this one is you can also take people out of a background. Like I could take my bird out, but then it'll still show the wall. Like watch. I'll show you what I mean. So if I just want to take him out but still keep that wall back there, it has another feature called crop. Wait, no. Nah, not the crop. Oh, I think I got the pro version. So when you come in Pixio, yeah, you got the photo eraser too. So right here. And photo eraser, like I can, let me see, give you an example. I need something with a background in it. So photo eraser, maybe I can do it with these chairs. Let's see. Sometimes it work good. Sometimes it be looking a little choppy. But it's really good for like small stuff. So let's see. So right here, if I want to take this out, see if I can take this chair out. All right, so let's see. Okay. And then you can take it out. But you see how I take out all that? Let's make it bigger. Take this out too. So if we did it good, if it did, it should take those out, but still show the sand in the back. I mean, like, and it's the sand afterwards. Yeah, see. So that's how you can do that, and of course you can clean it up afterwards and all that. But you see how I took it out, and you can still see the sand, and you can still see everything else. It didn't mess up that picture. So you can do that. Like maybe if I wanted to take out a car or something, like oh man, I want to take that car. You take the car out, but then you'll still see the whole background afterwards. Like it's crazy. So both of those come with it. So that's why I think this one right here is the way to go. But again, if you can't afford it, don't want to pay, definitely go with the free version. All right. All right. Any questions before we shut it down? All right. I guess we done. All right, guys. I appreciate you guys. Everybody that showed up. If it's your new time, if you was here for the first time, this is the first time you was on, then welcome. We do this every single week, like clockwork. Don't miss it. Monday, 5:30 Pacific time. If you're not getting those alerts, Royaltie Elite at 84483, text that. Also, don't forget the Elite Retreat. For those that can't afford to be there for all 3 days, we do have a price of $500 for you just to attend the training, which I recommend you do because it's going to be awesome. We're going to have some type stuff. We're going to have some nice giveaways. I'm even giving away these nice, expensive Cuban cigars. I like cigars, but for real though, we got a lot of giveaways. We got a lot of stuff that we're gonna be doing, and you won't be disappointed. So if you want to get your tickets, go to Elite VIP EliteTickets.com and go ahead and get started with that. Or if you need some more information, hit me up. Do you still have the light store? Yep, I still have the lights, but I had lights so much, and I sold so much, I got sick of them damn lights. Like. I still got lights. Like I made a profit, but I still got a ton of lights in the room. So yeah, I don't even want to talk about no lights. I got lights for days. I'm gonna be giving lights away for Christmas gifts. but it was still a good investment. I made all that money back with profit. All right. So that's it.
Thanks, Quan.
You're very, very welcome. Open this up real fast for when we get ready.
Good night, Kwan.
Hey, brother Juan.
Good night.
Enjoy it. Thanks again, Kawan. Thank you, bro.
You're very welcome.